Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Fiverr app weekly settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you search about Fiverr app and you click. In this page of app info you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Wi-Fi. You will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.